is going on today, guys? Welcome back. It has been quite a while since we have had a video. So we've actually been trying to make this video for the last couple weeks. We have not been able to make it work with the weather, but we are at the track. First time at the track since we moved down here. Local track to where we're at is Beach Bend Raceway. We are here with the good old first gen. We have not been on the track with the first gen since it was still a VE pump. So this is the first time on the track with the P pump, with the compound turbos, with the big injector, since we did all of that work forever ago. Tonight is the night we are going to get a baseline test and see exactly how, well, I would say fast, but how slow it is. We got our man No Lift Lunsford over here. Mr. Bossman. So if you guys didn't know, thank you guys so much for all of your support. All of you guys who have called in, ordered stuff from me, huge thank you. If you guys don't know, I work at KINGSPEED Race and Repair now. You guys can give me a buzz if you guys need any parts, anything. Be more than happy to help you out. Press 2 when you call in. Shameless plug there. That's pretty shameless plug. But anyway, guys, we're here at the track. We did actually. We're not going to be racing on the 420s. That's going to be for a bad time. These things don't even hold on the street. So we're going to get these babies swapped out. We actually got the radials, the M&H's on the whole shot wheels. We're going to swap them on the rear, and hopefully we'll have a little bit better luck with some traction. So we're going to swap them out and make our first test pass here in a little bit. Are we still doing our bet?
Yeah, we're still doing the bet.
We're still doing the bet?
Yeah.
After riding in the first gen, do you still feel comfortable? Safety-wise?
Barely.
The first gen likes to hobble around a little bit. Steering wheel is not quite straight, but so what we were gonna do is I was gonna make a pass, Chase was gonna make a pass, and then Michael, who's on his way with the Wendy's, was gonna make a pass, and we were gonna see who had the best ET, best reaction time. I'm gonna put my money on I'll be last, but should be a good time. So stay tuned. We're gonna get set up. I'll see you guys. Chase. Hold on. There's a secret to this. This guy right over here. You gotta stick your fingernail underneath. Now go. All right.
Yeah. Hey,
Michael.
hey, where are you going?
Say hello to Internet America.
This is Mello, also known
as Leslie Chow.
Leslie Chow, also known as Lucille. Hey. Hi.
Alrighty, there she is, ready to go. Well, or you know what they say, ready to blow. But we got RB the meats on the back. Don't make fun of the spike lug nuts. I think those are definitely gonna have to go with these wheels. These are too nice of a wheel to have silly lug nuts like that. But we got them on. Got the pressure set. That's what she looks like with the big boys in the back. So we're ready to make our first pass of the night here. Hi, Ray. Hi. Hi. Say hello. right, so bad news. Number one, I lost the GoPro. No, it was the one off the hood. So I lost the GoPro, and the atmosphere charger is going ting, 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 ting. Sorry, I don't think you guys get any runs. We can check it out, but it's kind of hot. But I heard a ting, 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 ting.
Son of a biscuit.
Well, guys, unfortunately, first pass, maybe the last pass, but we did get our trusty GoPro back. The paint job on the first gen is not very good at sticking, suctioning to the, right? That's what we're saying. So we're walking back to the truck now to assess the damage, but when I was pulling around to get my ticket, I heard a ting, 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 ting. Maybe that's some of the reason why this thing would not light. I've never had that problem before. It's always very, very responsive, so I'm not sure. We'll have to see if I can even drive this thing home, because this is probably the first time that I have not trailered something to the track. I'm like, man, this first gen's been great. We've been driving this thing all around. What could possibly happen? It wasn't even like wasn't even on a pass. So, guess we'll find out here. Stay tuned. Got our factory flathead screwdriver here. Trying to take off our turbo guard here. Ooh, that's hot. All right, so upon first inspection here, all of that, you don't want to see that. Oh boy, that is hot and that is very, very loose. Alrighty, we have a rag, so I can touch this for maybe 2 seconds. Yeah, that is no good. That is not supposed to do that. So needless to say, we will be going home and getting the trailer. Thanks, babe. Alrighty, good old faithful. The PJ and the 08 ready to save the day once again. So let's head back to the track so we can get home at somewhat of a decent hour tonight. Alrighty, boys, she is on the trailer. Time to strap her down, head home. Alrighty, guys, we have finally made it home. It is 11 o'clock, so I'm in the downstairs basement trying to talk a little bit quieter, but we're home. We made it home. So I guess recap of the first evening out, not quite what I had planned, but that's what's to be expected when it comes to racing. You got to pay to play, and we'll get the turbos figured out. I'll probably tear it apart here very, very soon, figure out what's going on with the turbos. Looks like we might need some transmission, maybe converter restall. I don't really know if the turbos were causing the truck not to spool, or if the truck really, with the new setup under like a load, really doesn't just want to spool. Maybe the converter being a little bit off on the stall, but we'll get it figured out one way or the other. It's all part of the game. Got to tweak it. Maybe it had something to do with our dyno number. Who really knows? But you live, you learn. We're going to rebuild. We'll get better. But for now, that is going to do it for this video. Just a lot of stuff going on. We still have to unpack the second gen. Got a lot of stuff to do. We have a lot of work to do on the trucks. A lot of work to do on the shop. So we're still in the process of getting kind of settled in. Anyway, that's gonna wrap up this video again, guys. I am going to put my work information down in the description. If you guys need help with any parts or anything, just hit me up. We're also gonna be doing a giveaway. Make sure you guys go follow the KINGSPEED Instagram. We're gonna do like a Wrenchworks and KINGSPEED like big swag pack giveaway when the KINGSPEED page reaches 10,000 followers. So go over there, follow KINGSPEED Instagram. And that's gonna do it, guys. I will catch back up with you guys tomorrow. We're gonna do kind of like a home life update. We've purchased some things for the home. Got some other things I wanna share with you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the upcoming videos. That's gonna do it. Hit the like button before you leave, subscribe if you have not already. I'll see you guys next one.